Hello YouTube friends. Well, after my last unboxing video, I wanted you guys to see what fits in the Portland Leather Goods triangle shoulder bag that I got. And I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. Really pretty leather. I'm surprised. And I thought it would be a lot easier to kind of scratch it up, but it's not too bad. Any scratches you see on here are from me. There's a little one right here that I did this morning accidentally with my nail, but it doesn't scratch down to the light leather the way Florentine leather sometimes does. This is much nicer. So I am very impressed. I was not expecting to even like this that much, but it's really a great size and you won't believe what fits. So let me give you the measurements as I have found them. So across here at the widest part, it's 10 inches. And it is 8.5 high, and it's a pretty wide little bag at the bottom here, 5 inches. So you can see why they call it the triangle bag, because it does make the shape of a triangle on the side. And it's just so basic, and it's just beautiful on its own. It doesn't need any little bag charms or, you know, any extras. I think it's a perfect little minimalist style. The shoulder strap is not removable, but they did have a crossbody strap that you could purchase separately in the same color. The color of this one is honey, and it's their smooth leather, and it's a very thick leather, as you can see here. So it's just beautiful. I don't know if it's coming across on camera as pretty as it is, but it's really a nice perfect saddle color. It's coming across a little yellower on camera. It's a little bit more reddish in person. So it's got just minimal branding. Portland Leather Goods right there at the top. Nothing else. It's a style that has a pocket at the back. And in this pocket, it's very roomy. But I was able to put a big phone case in there, no problem. So that went in. I think the zipper is probably my least favorite part of the bag because I don't like zippers that have this little tail end that comes out. And this zipper isn't, it's smooth, but it's not like Coach smooth, if you know what I mean. It's not like butter, but it does open. I mean, it doesn't hang up on anything. So look how much I have packed in here. Isn't that crazy? It's just a medium bag. It's not huge, but I have gotten so much in here, and it didn't stretch out the bag or make it hard to zip or anything. So I think this is going to be a real workhorse. So first I have my cute little Victoria's Secret backpack charm, and this hangs on any bag, but I just kind of threw it in here, and it's got just hand sanitizer inside. So I got that in there. In the back pocket here, I just have some tissues. I've got my big Coach sunglass case for my regular glasses, and this is a pretty stiff case. This was from the men's line a couple years ago, and I really liked it. It's kind of Art Deco looking, but I love the colors and everything. But it is big, and it's so big that I don't usually carry it because it doesn't fit in a lot of my bags. But look at that. It fits in here no problem at all. You don't have to Jenga your bag trying to get all this stuff in. I was able to put in my Dress Up Your Purse beautiful Vachetta Agenda. This is the Agenda MM size. And I've been using this every day for work, but it is just the best agenda. I love it. But that fit in here, no problem at all. So you can definitely not have to edit what you're putting in your bag with this baby. And then I have my wallet that my daughter got me. She went to Disneyland on her senior trip, and she is so sweet. I asked her for just get me a little Mickey Mouse coin purse or something, and she comes back with this Loungefly adorable long wallet. So cute. And so I have that in here. And then I just have a little old makeup pouch I got from Ipsy years ago, but I really love this pouch. It's just vinyl, but it's so understated and cute. And in here I just have more tissues, some gum, and some cough drops. So that all fit inside of here. No problem at all. The interior is beautiful. The suede back of the leather. And then you've got your Portland leather patch on the back here. This little pocket is sewn in and it doesn't flap out, so I can't really show you more of it, but that's that. And the other side is just plain. But it's such a good bag. I really recommend this style. I love it. It's not, I don't know, when you fill it up with all this stuff, you wouldn't think that it would all fit, but it does, and it does it in not a bulky way at all. It doesn't stretch out the leather or strain the bag. So I think I'm going to get tons of use out of this. It's just a perfect everyday minimalist bag. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Ooh, I do see something here. Look at this. The metal right here. See, it's kind of tarnished looking on one side. I wonder if that's normal. It's kind of funny. It's about the only flaw I see on this. Let's see the other side. Yeah, it's kind of similar. I guess the inside of the brass is kind of tarnished looking. Interesting. Well, there you go. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate all my new subscribers so much. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.